Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is SSC and for all defense and paramilitary forces and for central government examinations also. So let us see exactly what it has been given in the part 85. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find up to part 84. The term creamy layer is associated with reservation for the backward classes. Please remember, whatever the term we have, that is creamy layer, that is related to the reservation for the backward classes. Numismatics, we knew that the collection of coins is known as what? Numismatics. So that is a science concerning to that. Dunkel draft relates to international trade. As you can see how exactly WTO, World Trade Organization, that is GATT, General Agreement Tariff Trade. This is what you have to remember. Dunkel draft concerning to the international trade related. The Home Rule movement, as we knew that whatever the Home Rule League which was launched by the Annie Besant at Madras in the year 1915. So please remember, guys, they are very useful for you. Next we have the permanent winds blowing within the tropics are called trade winds. So we have whatever the permanent winds that is blowing within the tropics, they are called what? Trade winds. The debt service ratio implies ratio between export and principal plus and payment on debt. What exactly debt service ratio? That implies ratio between what? Export and principal plus and payment on debt. That is what exactly we remembered. The national emergency had been declared so far in India for how many times? It had been implemented for thrice. As you can see to the right side, it had been given between 26th October 1962 to 10th January 1968. So India-China war had been taken place. During that time it has been taken place, and between 3rd December 1971 to 21st March 1977, that is during the Indo-Pak war, and later extended along with the third proclamation, the security of India having been declared threatened by the external aggression. Next we have the between 25th June 1975 to 21st March 1977. Under controversial circumstances of political instability under Indira Gandhi's prime ministership, so it had been taken place. Next we have the national emergency. As you can see, these are the three which are to be remembered. The viral disease transmitted to man by the bite of rabid animals. We knew that whatever the rabies disease we get because of the dog bite, so that is particularly of dog bite, that is also known as hydrophobia. The Bahmani kingdom was founded by Hazon. Please remember, whatever the kingdoms and founder, you have to remember Gupta Empire, Sri Gupta, Maurya Empire, Chandragupta Maurya, and the Bahmani kingdom which was founded by Hazon. If pollination takes place without opening of flower, so this type of pollination is known as clistogamy. Please remember, guys, whatever the pollination that takes place without opening the flowers. As you can see to the right side how exactly that pollination takes place in this flower without opening that is clistogamy. The type of unemployment mostly found in India can be characterized as disguised. Please remember, in our India, the unemployment mostly found in India that can be characterized as disguised. The protein content of edible portion of egg. So whatever the egg we eat, in that the protein content we have 13.3%. We knew that for the bodybuilders, they used to take out the yolk, that is yellow color one will be taken out, and the rest will be eaten by the bodybuilders because of the maximum protein you will find in the white thing. That white thing is near about 13.3% you will find in the egg. Before ascending the Maurya throne, Ashoka served as a viceroy of Taxila. Please remember, guys, before ascending the Maurya throne, Ashoka served as a viceroy of Taxila. So he was the viceroy for the Taxila. The dynasty's Canaries literature grew during the age of Rashtrakutas? Please remember, during the time of Rashtrakuta, as you can see the literature they have during that time, canneries. That was the literature exists during the time of Rashtrakutas. They have built the constructions near the Ellora and Elephanta. The blind poet who worshipped Krishna and spread Krishna Bhakti cult. As you can see to the right side, he was a blind guy and he had worshipped Lord Krishna and spread the Bhakti Krishna Bhakti cult, which had been spreaded by the Surdas. Kanan Devi, who died recently, was a famous actress. Please remember, Kanan Devi was a famous actress. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join on Defense ICT Telegram and you can go through my playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations, as it is segregated into various playlists for the defense examinations and private for all central government examinations. Next we have plant hormone that includes cell division is auxins. Please remember, whatever exactly the plant hormone we have that includes cell division is auxins. The commodities that is earning maximum foreign exchange for India is tea and meat. This is what you have to remember. What are the commodities that is earning maximum foreign exchange for India is tea and meat. Next we have the long treeless grassy palms. As you can see, what exactly the long treeless grassy palms are a characteristic of prairies. I request you guys to check the commodities, whatever the foreign exchange, that is tea and meat. It is not mate, it is meat. MEAT, that is mass. Long treeless grassy palms, which are characteristic of what? Prairies. What are the prairies? That is the long treeless grassy palms. Dravida language, among all the Dravida language, the oldest one was the Tamil. The gas used in the manufacture of the vanaspati from the vegetable oil. We should know what exactly the hydrogenation is. Hydrogenation is the one in which the vegetable oil directly converted into vanaspati ghee. So that in that the hydrogen is used. In the Mughal administration, military recruitment was being looked after by Bakshi. Please remember guys, during the time of Mughal administration, whatever the military recruitment, it was being looked after by the Bakshi. The Council of Ministers in the Maratha administration was known as Ashtapradhan. This is what you have to remember. What are the Council of Ministers in the Maratha administration, which was known as Ashtapradhan. Here, as you can see to the right side, how exactly Ashtapradhan looks like. Peshwa means Prime Minister. Here, Chief Judicial Officer is Nyayadaksh, and Amacha means Finance Officer. Sachiv means Royal Correspondence. Mantrin means Private Secretary of the King. Pandit Rao means Religious and Charitable Activities. Sumant means Foreign Affairs, who looks after the foreign affairs. Senapati as a military head. So these are all Ashtapradhans of, we have to remember these Ashtapradhans. They are known during the time of Maratha administration, that is Shivaji's administration. Stagflation, that implies a case of recession plus inflation. So what exactly the stagflation is? That implies a case of recession plus inflation is a stagflation. Oranges are rich source of what? In the oranges you find maximum vitamins. You can see how exactly we will find in the lemon, citric acid, you will find oranges, you will find the vitamins, and the tomato also, broccoli, strawberry, papaya, spinach. These are all various important one which promotes strong immunity system, that supports nerve cell maintenance also. Cow milk is a rich source of what? Vitamin A. It means retinol. Whatever the cow milk we have, that is one type of which is used in, it's a rich source of vitamin A. One-horned rhinos are the protected in the Kaziranga sanctuary. We knew that whatever the sanctuary which is located in Kaziranga National Park, which is located in Assam, that consists of one-horned rhino in that. MODVAT, that refers to value added to manufacturing cost, that is modified value added tax, which is the value added to manufacturing cost. Next we have the fruit formed without fertilization. Whatever the fruit we have that had been formed without fertilization, that is known as parthenocarpy. What exactly the parthenocarpy is? The fruit formed without fertilization. At the stage of division does synapsis takes place, that is zygote. This is, you have to remember, at the stage of division does synapsis takes place, that is zygote. The store of bile and secretion of mucus in the human body, that is gallbladder. Please remember what are the storage of bile and secretion of mucus in the human body, that is stored in the gallbladder. As you can see how exactly the bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. The renewable source of energy, bioenergy, all examples we have the biogas, that is gobar gas. These are all one type of renewable source of energy. As you can see, wind as well as solar. So these are all one type of renewable source of energy. That's it guys. This is my mobile number. You can directly go through my playlist. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me or message me by WhatsApp 766730 252. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.